Hi, welcome to MGX. Today we're going to leverage the power of AI. I'll show you exactly how to turn your idea into an app prototype. If your team brings together roles like UI UX designers and front-end developers, the process of refining requirements and building an initial prototype can take a lot of time. But now, non-technical users can use AI to design 12 different prototype styles in just one day, without writing a single line of front-end code or having professional design training. We're going to use MGX to analyze requirements and generate UI super easy with natural language. And then I'll show you exactly what to do in Figma to convert those designs into a prototype. Getting started is super simple. Just share your idea. For example, if I wanted to create a digital wardrobe app, I'd outline my requirements in the chat box. Then you'll see how MGX's agents collaborate to bring your idea to life. Mike, the team leader, oversees the entire project. For complex tasks, he first breaks everything down into a structured to-do list, begins by assigning Emma, the product manager, to create a PRD and explore additional features to enhance competitiveness. Next, he assigns Alex, the engineer, to design and implement a high-fidelity prototype using HTML and Tailwind CSS based on the PRD. Once everything is finalized, Mike will generate an interactive prototype and present it as a functional website. Now, the prototype looks really good. You can deploy it to the website and share it with your partner. MGX has a version control system, allowing you to use Remix to develop different styles based on your MVP. Next, let's move on to Figma. Using the HTML to Design plugin, you can import the prototype directly into Figma. From there, the team can refine UI elements, adjust layouts, and ensure consistency across different screen sizes. And that's it. A mini prototype ready to go. Just repeat these steps for every design, and MGX will handle the rest flawlessly.